Give me a second. Okay, fine. Are the voice and screen clear now? Tell me. Any issue with the voice or screen? It is okay now? Okay, fine. Good. Fine. So just give me a second. Fine. So tell me the last question that we solved. Question number? Hmm? What was the question number that we solved? 6? Okay. All right. People are still joining. आरामात येतात बघा. Okay, fine. So let's solve the next question. Okay. But before solving next question, let us write down some other formulae. Okay. For CRMS, C average, and most probable speed, let us try to write the formulae. Okay. So write down along with me. Write down one extra point. We know what is CRMS. CRMS is equal to under root 3RT by capital M. Okay, 3RT by capital M. Okay. Then write C average. Then write C average. Average value of the speed. On an average, what is the average value of speed? If there are large number of particles, we know what is RMS value of the RMS value. Root means square speed of the gas molecule. If there are large number of molecules in the given gas, then the value is under root 3 RT by M. Then what is the formula for C average in terms of RT and M? The formula is under root 8 upon pi RT by M. The formula is under root 8 upon pi RT by M. Okay, sir, fine. So this is under root 3 RT by M. Now let us try to calculate 8 upon pi. Let us try to calculate 8 upon pi. 8 as it is. What is this value pi? Pi is 0.3182. Let us do the multiplication. 8 into 2 is 16, carry 1. 8 into 8 is 64 plus 1, 65. Carry 6. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 plus 6 is 14, carry 1. 8 into 3 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal point after 4 digits. So let us write it as 2.54. It is. Let us write, you may write it as 2.55. Okay. So 8 upon pi is 2.55. All right, sir. So let us try to write this value as root 3 RT upon M. But what is the value of root 3? Root 3 value is 1.73. Root 3 value is 1.73. Okay. So let me write here itself. Okay. Let me write here itself. Just give me a second. C average value, C RMS value is 1.73 into under root RT upon M. Now what I am saying is C average is equal to under root 8 upon pi RT by M. So under root 8 upon pi means under root 2.55, just like under root 3, sorry, under root 3, here we have under root 2.55. You may take it as 2.56, no problem, into under root RT by M. Here we have to calculate root 3. This value is less than root 3. This value is 3. This value 8 upon pi is 2.55. Okay. What is the square root of 2.55? Reply me in the chat box. Approximate answer. Tell me fast. Yes, it is 1.6. 1.6 square. 1.6 square is 2.56. 1.6 square. 16 square is 256. So 1.6 square will be 2.55. So let us write this as 1.6 under root RT upon M. Okay. The formula that we are going to remember is this. The formula that we are going to remember is this. 8 upon pi RT by M. Under root 8 upon pi RT by M. The formula that we are going to remember for CRMS is this. Under root 3 RT by M. Now here you can observe that this value comes out to be 1.73 and this value comes out to be 1.6. 8 by pi. Under root 8 by pi is under root 2.55, which is equal to 1.6, and under root 3 is 1.73. So certainly RMS value is going to be greater than the average value. Okay. In the morning lecture I said that RMS value is more than the average value. Why it is so? Now that question can be answered. Okay. Now let me write most probable speed. Most probable speed. Okay. Let me write most probable speed. Most probable speed, it is simply 2 RT by M. It is simply 2 RT by M. These formulae we have to remember. Okay. Don't ask why we are not going to derive these formulae. Okay. These formulae we simply have to accept. We have to remember. All right. So this is 3. This is 2.55 and this is 2. This is 3. This is 8 upon pi means 2.55. So 3, 2.55 and 2. So obviously RMS is going to be more than the average speed, and the average speed is going to be more than the most probable speed. So let us write this as root 2 into under root RT upon M. Now we know what is the value of root 2. Sir, the value of root 2 is 1.414 or 1. Simply 4. No problem even in that. 1.414 or 1.41 under root RT upon M. So after writing, reply me in the chat box up to this point. Is that clear? We are going to remember the formula for most probable speed also. Jala square bracket केला है, round bracket केला है, star केला है, that we have to remember. Okay. Okay. Now let me read the chat box. There is some doubt. Let us address that doubt. Sir, you missed the square root CRMS. You missed the square root CRMS. Where? Okay. Here. Right? I missed the square root here, right? Root 3 as it is, under root RT upon M. I missed the square root. Okay, so you just draw the square root here, symbol. Everything else is right. Fine. How to calculate 8 upon pi? Is that clear? 2.55. So under root 8 upon pi, that is equal to under root 2.55. That is equal to 1.6. Okay, because 1.6 square is approximately 2.56. So 2.55 can be approximated to 2.56. Its square root 1.6. Okay. Fine. So is this set of formula clear to all of you? Another set of formulae, under root 3 RT by M, under root 8 by pi RT by M, under root 2 RT by M. So now anyone can say that CRMS is more than C average is more than C most probable, and therefore in the morning lecture I wrote R is more than A is more than M. RMS is more than average and average is more than the most probable. R is more than A is more than M. RAM. Okay, the word you can very easily remember. Fine. Now let us solve the next question. Okay. So next question number 7. Let's tackle question number 7. Let me read the question. You try to answer it. Okay. Try to extract the data as well. A gas molecule of mass M, gas molecule, single molecule mass M, small m, is incident normally. Normally means perpendicular. Okay, normally means perpendicular. A gas molecule of mass M is incident normally on the wall of containing vessel. Okay, the vessel which contains the gas molecule, one of the gas molecule having mass equal to M hits the wall, normally means perpendicular, with the velocity equal to u. After collision, magnitude of, see we are asked magnitude of change in momentum of the molecule will be, magnitude of change in momentum. Page number 115, example number 7, chapter KTG. Gas molecule of mass M is incident normally on the wall of the containing vessel with the speed or the velocity u. Okay, after collision, magnitude of change in momentum of the molecule. Okay, so we are asked magnitude, so ultimately answer should be some positive number, positive value, because we are asked magnitude of what? Of change in momentum. It means first we have to find out change in momentum, and we know momentum is a vector quantity, so change in momentum is going to be vector quantity. So find out initial momentum vector, find out final momentum vector, then find out change in momentum as a vector, then take magnitude of the vector. Now let us deal with the question. Okay, start writing along with me. Write the question number, reference as 7, reference to the question number 7. Okay, so that notebook question number and the module question number will be matched, so at the time of revision you can recall easily. So what we are given is mass of the molecule is m, it collides with the speed equal to u. What we are asked is magnitude of change in momentum, so delta p bar चा magnitude is equal to question mark. Okay, so let's say this is the wall of the container. On this wall of the container, molecule having mass equal to m collides with the velocity equal to u. Okay, now we know that the mass of the wall is very large compared with the small mass. When very small mass, when the first mass is very small and there is second mass, when the small mass hits another large mass, only the velocity of the small mass is going to change. So what happens? Velocity of wall will not be changed. The velocity of wall will remain same. Only what will happen? This molecule will revert back like this with the same speed u, but direction of the velocity will be reversed. Magnitude of the velocity will remain u, but direction will be reversed. Okay, so let us write initial momentum vector. It is mass into u into I cap. Let us take this direction as I cap, let us take this direction as minus I cap. Rightward direction plus I cap, leftward direction minus I cap. Okay sir, this is the initial momentum, P initial, mass into velocity. Velocity ची direction bar rightward, so u into I cap. This is the velocity. Okay, initial velocity. Mass into final velocity. Final velocity is u into minus I cap. Final velocity is u into minus I cap. Let me write that minus here and that I cap here. Okay, so let me write the final momentum. P final momentum of the molecule is this. Now let us find out change in momentum as a vector. Change in momentum as a vector is final momentum vector minus initial momentum vector. Now what is the final momentum? Sir, it is minus mu into I cap. This is the final minus, what is the initial momentum vector? Sir, it is mu into I cap. Mu into I cap. Sir, this I cap common. Sir, minus mu will become minus 2 mu into I cap as it is. So this is your change in momentum vector. What is the magnitude of change in momentum? Tell me, what is the answer? Under root coefficient of I square plus under root coefficient of I square plus coefficient of j square plus coefficient of k square. J आणि k ला coefficient नहीं है. So what will be the answer? This is the change in momentum vector. So what will be its magnitude? Under root I च्या coefficient चा square plus j च्या coefficient चा square plus k च्या coefficient चा square. सर स्क्वेअर फक्त I च्या coefficient चा square करा कारण j आणि k नाहीच आहेत. So you may write that as even if you consider the minus sign, no problem, because ultimately it is going to be squared. Okay, I च्या coefficient चा square of coefficient of I plus square of coefficient of j plus square of coefficient of k. Sir, there are no coefficients of j and k, so no need to write. So what will be the final answer? Actually, you should be able to write this answer directly just by looking at this as 2 mu. Minus the square plus होईल, परत square ला square root cancel होईल. Okay, so this shall be the answer. Check whether this question is clear to all of you or not, because most of the students write this answer as 0. Initial momentum mu, final momentum mu, and change in momentum 0. No, it's not like that. Change in momentum is 2 mu, and change in momentum as a vector is minus 2 mu into I cap. Done? Reply me in the chat box. Is this question clear to all of you? So that we can move on to the next question. These should be very simple type of questions for you now. Okay. Good. So let us solve next question. Okay. So now it's time that you should feel each and every question easy. Okay. Now let us solve next question. Write down example 8. Okay, let me read the question. You try to extract the data. Gas at the pressure P0 is contained in a vessel. Okay, see, the gas is contained in a vessel, so it will have some value of volume. Okay, if the masses of all the molecules are halved, see, each and every molecular mass is going to be halved. प्रत्येक molecule चा mass क्या होना है? Half होना है. Fine. And their speed is doubled. So let us try to extract the data. While reading the question itself, we don't know what is being asked, but let us try to extract the data. Okay, this kind of approach solves almost all the examples. So let us try to master the approach itself. Okay, and then we'll decide whether to solve the question or not to solve. The gas has pressure P0. It is contained in some vessel. Let's say that vessel has volume equal to V. Okay. Now masses of all the molecules are halved. So final mass of each molecule will be equal to initial mass of the molecule divided by 2. All right, sir. And their speeds are double. Final speed of each molecule. Final speed of each molecule is going to be double its initial speed. So what shall we write is first molecule final speed is equal to 2 times its initial speed. Second molecule final speed is equal to 2 times its initial speed. Third molecule final speed C dash C3 dash is equal to 2 times C3. So in this way, speeds of all the molecules are going to be doubled and mass of each molecule is going to be doubled. We know that all the molecules are identical, so all of them will be having same masses. So simply m dash is equal to m by 2. Masses of all the molecules are halved, but we know that all the molecules have different speeds, C1, C2, C3. All these speeds are being doubled. All these speeds are being doubled, and in this way we get the final speeds. Okay, sir, fine. Then the resulting pressure P will be equal to final pressure P dash is equal to question mark, means final pressure P dash is equal to how many times initial pressure. You may be asked to find out x as a numerical type question. You may be asked to find out x. Okay, so let us try to find out P dash in terms of P0. What will be the final pressure? Okay, here one of the things that you should note is that, see, the container is not being changed. If the container is not being changed, what does that mean? It simply means that final volume of the gas V dash is going to be equal to initial volume. Okay, this is the hidden data which you should understand. Okay, this is the hidden data which you should understand, that the container is not being changed. So final volume is going to be equal to initial volume. Fine. So up to this, let me know in the chat box, is the question clear to all of you? See how the data is being extracted. Question समजला का बघा. We'll see how to find out the answer. The question itself let us know that which method, which formula is to be considered. Repeat करायचा question. Okay. We are given some initial pressure and the gas is contained in the volume equal to V. V एवढ्या volume मध्ये gas आहे, त्याचं pressure आहे P0. Mass of each and every particle is being made half. M dash equal to M by 2. And the speed of each and every particle is being doubled. Okay, so this is the first particle speed, this is the second particle speed, this is the third particle speed. All these speeds are getting doubled and we are getting the final speeds of each and every particle. And now they are asking us what will be the final pressure. Now they are asking us what will be the final pressure. Now for the pressure we have only one formula which we have derived. Check the notes, or if you remember, just tell me what is the formula for pressure. Tell me in the chat box. Only one formula for the pressure of a gas we know. Okay, so only that formula is going to be utilized for the answer. Let it come from you. What is that formula for the pressure of a gas? P is equal to under root 3p upon rho. Okay, how can a formula for a pressure will contain pressure itself? I am asking formula for pressure. See, these are the silly mistakes. Okay, we are writing under root 3p upon rho, formula for pressure, and we are writing under root 3p upon rho. No, you are close to the answer. Just rearrange that formula and you will get the answer for the pressure. One more calculation you have to do and you will get the formula for pressure. Tell me. For square you can write the word SQ, no problem. Online people. Yes, all of you are giving now the correct answer. Good. Good. Yes, now you are all of you giving the correct answer. Sir, the formula, only formula that we derived, okay, after that long calculation, the formula that we arrived is 1 upon 3 rho CRMS square. This formula, guys, we have to remember. Okay, 1 upon 3 rho CRMS square. So घरी बसूनच हा फॉर्म्युला म्हणा 4 वेळा. Pressure is equal to 1 upon 3 rho CRMS square. Right? Repeat along with me. Pressure is equal to 1 upon 3 rho CRMS square. Pressure is equal to 1 upon 3 rho CRMS square. Okay. So this formula we have to remember. 1 upon 3 rho CRMS square. Okay. And for CRMS we know it is under root 3p upon 3. Okay. Fine. Now somehow we have to bring this data into this formula. Somehow we have to bring this data into this formula. Okay, now let us try to do the replacement. Okay, now we have some value about volume, some data about volume, some data about masses. All right, so let me write it like this. Try to understand. Okay, try to understand. Let me write this density as mass upon volume. Okay, see, I don't have any data about density, so I have to replace the density. See, I don't have any data about CRMS. I don't have any direct data about CRMS. So ultimately, I need to replace the CRMS also. So I replace density of a gas. What I shall write? I should not write there capital M. What I shall write is M gas, mass of a gas. Okay, because capital M letter is reserved for molar mass. So density of a gas is mass of gas divided by volume of a gas. Now CRMS square. Now for CRMS square, CRMS and square. So let us write first RMS, root of, mean of means divide by capital N, square values. So what shall I write? C1 square plus C2 square and so on up to Cn square. Okay. But sir, CRMS is to be squared. CRMS is to be squared. CRMS is to be squared. Okay, sir, fine. So let me write the same thing once again. 1 upon 3 mass of a gas upon volume of a gas. Okay. So can I say that? If mass of each molecule is getting halved, then mass of entire gas, means collective gas, all the molecules, will also become half. So shall I write? This equation implies that mass of the gas finally is equal to mass of the gas initially divided by 2. Am I correct? Am I logical? Am I sound you logical? If mass of each particle is getting halved, mass of entire gas, collection of all the particles, will also become half. So, sir, we have data about mass also. Okay, fine. We have data about mass also. So let us write mass of the gas as it is divided by. Sir, we have data about volume. So keep the volume as it is. Keep the volume as it is. Fine. Now, sir, this square and square root are cancelled. Okay. The square and square root are cancelled. So let's write this. C1 square plus C2 square plus so on up to Cn square divided by n as it is. So this is our formula for pressure, modified formula for pressure for the given situation. Okay. Now all the data we have, see, number of molecules are not going to change. Total number of molecules are going to remain same. So what I'm writing is this. Can I write P dash upon P? Let me take ratio of, let me make this question. Let me convert this question into ratio type of question. So shall I write P dash upon P? See, 1 upon 3 is constant. It is not going to change. So forget about 1 upon 3. Pressure is directly proportional to mass of gas. So P dash upon P should be written as mass of gas finally divided by mass of gas initially. Okay. Volume is not going to change, so forget about volume. Okay, volume is not going to change, so forget about volume. 1 upon 3 is not going to change. Mass is going to change, so I wrote P dash upon P as M dash upon M. M dash mass of gas finally divided by mass of gas initially. Now, number of molecules are not going to change, forget about number of molecules. So forget about this, forget about this, forget about this. It means that pressure is proportional to this multiplied by this. Pressure is proportional to this multiplied by this. Okay. Now, pressure is proportional to this. So P dash, for P dash, what I shall write? I shall write C1 dash square plus C2 dash square plus so on up to Cn dash square divided by, for P, pressure is directly proportional to this. So for P, what I shall write is C1 square plus C2 square, try to understand, up to Cn square. Up to this, online people, just tell me, is this point clear to you? Is this question, which is now converted into ratio type of question, is that clear to us? पहिल्यांदा हे समजू दे. If this is clear, then the question is very easy. See, pressure is proportional to mass of gas into this bracket. That's it. Take the ratio, find out the answer. Take the ratio, find out the answer. Let's do that. M dash, mass of gas divided by mass of gas finally upon initially. M dash upon M. किती येईल बाळा answer? M dash upon M. M dash upon M. Shall I write 1/2? M dash, mass of gas finally upon initially. M dash upon M is 1/2. Fine. Now let us deal with this bracket. Each velocity, final velocity, is double its initial velocity. So let us replace the final velocities. 2 times C1 square. See, most of the students don't take this 2 square. Silly mistake. We have to replace C1 dash. C1 dash is 2 times C. Okay. So most of the students, what they write? They write 2 times C square. No. 2 times C bracket square. C2 dash is 2 times C2 bracket square. So on. What is Cn dash? Sir, Cn dash is 2 times Cn bracket square whole divided by C1 square plus C2 square, so on up to Cn square. Okay, now you can very easily observe that this 2 square, 2 square and 2 square will get common. Okay, C1 square plus C2 square up to Cn square will cancel out with C1 square plus C2 square up to Cn square, and this 2 square, 2 square, 2 square will get common. So I think we have got the answer. P dash upon P is equal to this 1/2 as it is. Okay, this 2 square, 2 square, 2 square common, that will become 4, and addition of this C1 square plus C2 square up to Cn square will get cancelled. Okay, so I think final answer P dash is equal to P dash upon P is equal to 2, and therefore P dash is equal to 2 times P. Check whether the question, its logic, its method clear to all of you or not. Okay, such kind of numerical type question. Find x. What is the x? So value of x is this. Now you may take initial pressure as P0, no problem. I took the initial pressure as P, final pressure as P dash. They want initial pressure as P0, final pressure as P. Chalu shakil, no problem. I am taking initial pressure P0 as P. Okay, everyone, just reply me in the chat box clear and written so that I can move on to the next question. Okay, I am solving each question by taking around 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, but you should be able to solve it within 1 minute or 2 minutes. Okay, because I have to explain all the things, I have to write, I have to extract the data, I have to write the formulae, I have to do the calculation, again I have to explain it. So I am taking 5-6 minutes, but you shall be solving such questions within a minute. Okay, तेवढीच respect आहे या question ची, within a minute. So let me read the chat. Let us answer the question if it is asked. So rho C RMS square च्या पुढच्या स्टेप परत काय? Okay, rho C RMS च्या पुढच्या स्टेप्स परत. Fine. 1/3 as it is. Density of a gas is mass of a gas divided by volume of a gas. Now C RMS चा फॉर्म्युला बघा, हा स्क्वेअर इथे लिहिलाय. रूट ऑफ मीन ऑफ स्क्वेअर व्हॅल्यूज, रूट ऑफ मीन ऑफ म्हणजे डिवाइड बाय एन, स्क्वेअर ऑफ म्हणजे सगळ्या स्क्वेअरची ऍडिशन. ओके, त्यानंतर 1/3 as it is, मास ऑफ अ गॅस as it is, व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ अ गॅस as it is. हा स्क्वेअर आणि स्क्वेअर रूट कॅन्सल. Okay, this square and square root cancel, everything else as it is. Now here we encounter that in both the cases, initial and final case, 1/3 going to remain same, volume is going to remain same, number of molecules are not changing. What is changing is overall mass of the gas and the speeds of individual particles. So what does that mean? Pressure is proportional to mass and pressure is proportional to this bracket. Okay, so we have to simply take the ratio P dash upon P, final pressure upon initial pressure. Final pressure, final mass, final values of squares of the speeds. Similarly, initial pressure, initial mass, initial values of squares of the speed. Now final mass upon initial mass, final mass upon initial mass is 1/2, and final speeds C1 square, final speed C1 dash is 2 times C1, C2 dash is 2 times C2. So all the final speeds are double the initial speeds. Okay, so all the final speeds are simply doubled. Okay, after that this 2 square, 2 square, 2 square common, and this C1 square plus C2 square up to Cn square gets cancelled. So this 1/2 as it is, and 2 square common, that has become 4. So 4/2 is 2. Okay, it's not that difficult. Okay, fine. So let us move on to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. Let's deal with the question number 9. Shall I move on to the question number 9, or you want to write? You wrote it, right? Shall I move on to the question number 9? Yes, chalo. So let me read the question. Be ready with the pen paper. If the total translational kinetic energy of translational kinetic energy of H2 molecules, all right, see, the total translational kinetic energy of H2 molecules is given to us, all right. So what shall I say? It is kinetic energy of single molecule, or it is kinetic energy of collection of molecules? What data I shall extract from this this statement? if total translational kinetic energy of H2 molecules is 7.5 into 10 raised to 3, observe the number also. 7.5 into 10 raised to 3. Can this energy be possessed by single molecule? No. This is very large energy for a single molecule. Okay, 7.5 into 10 raised to 3 joule. This is large energy for a single molecule. It means that it is energy of collection of all the molecules. It means that it is energy of a gas. Okay, try to understand. Okay, we have to deal with the word problems. Okay, if the total translational kinetic energy of H2 molecules is 7.5 into 10 raised to 3 joule, so this is not a energy of single molecule. See, the value is 7.5 into 10 raised to 3 joule. Okay, so it is around 7,500 joule. This is very large energy. Okay, it cannot be possessed by a single molecule. Okay, so it is the kinetic energy of a gas. For the gas filled in a container of 10 liter capacity. So there is a container whose capacity is 10 liter. So we know liter is a unit of volume. So we are given the data of volume. We are given the data of energy of a gas. Then what? Then the pressure will be. Okay, you deal with the question on your own. Let me write the data. You deal with the question. I will give you some 4-5 minutes. Do it. Now liter you have to convert into meter cube and all those unit conversions you have to deal on your own. So what we are given is kinetic energy of a gas, total translational kinetic energy of a gas. So let me write here energy of a gas. Okay, kinetic energy of a gas. What is that? It is some 7.5 into 10 raised to 3 joule. Molecules are given of hydrogen. So H2 gas is given to you, and they are giving us the volume of the container as, what is that? It is 10 liter capacity volume. Sorry, 10 liter capacity container. So volume is 10 liter. We know liter means dm cube, decimeter cube. Okay. Now all of us should know that centimeter means 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Deci, centimilli. We know deci meter is 10 raised to minus 1 meter. Centimeter is 10 raised to minus 2 meter. Millimeter is 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Okay, so with that just convert this volume into SI unit, so that will become 10 as it is. Decimeter cube. What is deci? Deci is 10 raised to minus 10. So deci, no, 10 raised to minus 1. So deci is 10 raised to minus 1 meter as it is, and this whole decimeter cube. या डेसीचा पण क्यूब करायचा आहे, मीटरचा पण क्यूब करायचा आहे. ओके, सो दॅट विल बी 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. So that will result into 10 raised to minus 2 meter cube. Okay, now what is the pressure of a gas? P is equal to question mark. Okay, kinetic energy of a gas is given to you, volume is given to you,